This is our second episode from our seed to harvest seed. In this video, we're going to go ahead and be using the Ziploc method. We're going to need water, any glass, make sure that it's clean, a Ziploc bag, and paper towels. If you're following along, go ahead and get the paper towel, use one sheet, and we're going to go ahead and start folding it. Once you got it folded, we're going to go ahead and set that aside. We're going to go ahead and get the glass. And then we're going to be filling it up about halfway. And then you're going to get any of your seeds that you're going to be using. And then dump those in the glass. And we're going to go ahead and put this away somewhere dark for 24 to 72 hours. And then once you see some tails, that's a good sign. And if you don't see some tails, that's okay. We're going to go ahead and put this in the paper towel. Make sure that it's not dripping wet. Let's get the seeds ready and pour the seeds into the paper. Go ahead and fold it up. Grab your bag, put it inside of the middle. We're going to go ahead and blow some air into the bag. This is going to create some humidity in the bag and it's going to help the seeds sprout. Make sure to put this in a dark location. It's okay if you don't have anywhere dark. You can put this where there's light as well. We're going to wait 3 to 4 days. And you should see your seeds sprouted. We're going to go ahead and be picking 6 of the best ones. They're a little tangled up, but it's okay. It's pretty easy to take them apart. We're going to go ahead and get the cocoa ready. We're going to go ahead and make little holes in the center. You don't want to push all the way down. You want to push about halfway down. I'm going to go ahead and test them before I move them onto a bigger container. So once I find out if they're male or female, they'll be here until then. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of water. I'm going to go ahead and close the top of the dome to create some humidity. I'm just waiting for these to get tested, but once I get the results, I'm going to go ahead and be making the episode 3. So stay tuned. I'm going to go put these away. And after a few days, they should start rising up. And after 1 to 2 days, you want to open the vents a little bit so they can get accustomed to the environment. And once they're accustomed, you can go ahead and move them to the next container that you're going to be moving them to.